and welcome students. I am Shilpa Nirmal from Oxford English High School and today we will go through these bits. First bit is subtract the fraction. Second bit is conversion of years and weeks into days. Third bit is conversion of rupees into paise. Let us move towards our first bit, that is subtraction of like fractions. First of all, let me tell you what is fraction. Fraction is a number with numerator and denominator. For example, 2 by 3. It is a fraction. Here 2 is numerator and 3 is denominator. Now what are like fractions, children? Like fractions are the fractions with same denominator. For example, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 are like fractions because their denominators are same. Now let us see how to subtract and write the fraction. Let us see the example. In the given example, 3 by 8 from 7 by 8. That means 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Now here the denominator is same, so we will write it once and the numerator as it is along with the sign. So the answer is 4 and the denominator as it is. So we got the fraction 4 by 8. Let us see the next example. 9 by 12 from 11 by 12. Now 11 by 12 minus 9 by 12. Again the denominators are same, so write it once and the numerator as it is along with the sign. So 11 minus 9, that is 2 and the denominator as it is. So we got the fraction 2 by 12. Now let us move towards our next bit, that is convert into days. Before that, I would like to show you a chart which will clear your basic concepts of time. 1 year is equals to 365 days. If we have to count in months, 1 year is equals to 12 months. 1 month is equals to 30 days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now let us see how to convert. If we have to convert years into days, as we know, 1 year is equals to 365 days. So 7 years is equals to 7 times 365, that is 7 multiplied by 365. So we get the answer 2555 days. So 7 years is equals to 2555 days. Let us see the next example. How to convert week into days. Now as we know, 1 week is equals to 7 days. So 10 weeks is equals to 10 times 7, that is 10 multiplied by 7, which is equals to 70 days. So 10 weeks is equals to 70 days. Hope you all understood the video. Thank you.